If you're like most men, you take pride in your beard. It's a symbol of manliness and masculinity. But if you don't take care of it, that beautiful beard of yours will quickly become a mess. In this video, we will discuss 7 tips for maintaining your beard. These tips will help keep your beard looking its best. But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. So let's dive into the video. Number 7. Groom your beard. Growing a beard takes time, and caring for your beard doesn't end at shampooing and combing. Keeping your beard healthy starts with maintaining your overall health. You should comb or brush your beard every day. This will help to distribute the natural oils evenly throughout your beard and prevent tangles. Use a wide-toothed comb or brush and be gentle so you don't damage the hair follicles. Number 6. Moisturize your beard. Beard oil is a must if you want to maintain a healthy beard. Not only does it keep your beard looking its best, but it also nourishes the skin beneath. Apply a few drops of oil to your beard after showering and comb through. You can also use it as a pre-shave oil to help soften your whiskers. Apply your moisturizer right away after washing your beard and gently patting your face dry with a towel for the greatest effects. Applying moisturizer should be done while your skin and beard are still damp. To avoid buildup or the impression of greasiness, use the product sparingly. Number 5. Treat beard dandruff. Just like the hair on your head, your beard can suffer from dandruff. Dry skin, dead skin cells, and a buildup of oils can all lead to flakes falling from your face. Not only is this unsightly, but it can be itchy and uncomfortable. A good beard balm or oil will help to keep your skin healthy and hydrated, preventing dandruff from forming. Be sure to massage it into your skin well, getting down to the roots of your beard. Use the right shampoo to address the symptoms if you become ill with this ailment. Products with at least 1% of the active component ketoconazole may be able to reduce beard dandruff symptoms. An antifungal drug called ketoconazole protects and kills yeast and fungi. Your nearby pharmacy may sell some forms over the counter. A prescription from your physician or dermatologist could be required for other kinds. You should also search for selenium sulfide or pyrithione zinc as additional active components. One active ingredient might work better on your skin than another. Try a different product or speak with your doctor if the first one doesn't work. Number 4. Pick the right beard cleanser. If you want your beard to look its best, you need to invest in a good quality beard cleanser. Look for one that is designed specifically for beards and contains natural ingredients that will nourish your skin and hair. Avoid using regular shampoo on your beard as it can strip away the natural oils that keep it healthy. Instead, opt for a beard wash or soap that is gentle and designed to hydrate your hair. In addition to using the right cleanser, you also need to make sure you are properly hydrated. Drinking plenty of water will help to keep your skin and hair healthy and prevent dryness. You should also avoid using harsh chemicals on your beard as they can damage the hair and skin. Instead, opt for natural products that will help to keep your beard looking its best. Number 3. Wash your beard. Beard dandruff is caused by the same thing as regular dandruff, dry skin. And what's the best way to combat dry skin? That's right, washing your beard. Washing your beard will not only get rid of any built-up oils and dirt, but it will also help exfoliate your skin. Use a beard shampoo and conditioner to keep your beard soft and healthy. Use lukewarm water to shampoo or clean your beard for optimal results. Massage your skin and beard with the washing product after applying it. Number 2. Choose the right beard care tools. A well-groomed beard starts with the right tools. Invest in a quality beard comb and brush, and use them daily. A good comb will help untangle knots, distribute oil evenly, and shape your beard. A soft bristled brush is great for gently exfoliating the skin underneath your beard, as well as taming flyaways. In addition to a comb and brush, you'll also need a good beard trimmer. Trimming your beard regularly will help keep it looking neat and tidy. And when it comes to trimming, make sure you have sharp, quality blades. Dull blades can cause irritation and even lead to ingrown hairs. Number 1. Commit to the process. Just like anything worth having, a great beard takes time, effort, and patience. Growing a beard can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it's not always easy. Be prepared to go through some ups and downs during the journey. Remember, the key is to never give up. Ingrown hairs can occur when your beard is still in the growing stage. Keep your pores clear by exfoliating your skin multiple times per week to avoid ingrown hairs. This creates a solid base for beard development. Those are the 7 best tips to maintain your beard. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.